Mike Innovative Door and Sears Craftsman here. Pull this cover off, and it's snowing outside. Case of the blown gear. Once again, we're gonna fix it. We fix all blown gears. Fix older door openers, new door openers, whatever you got. There's some more of the. There's your gear. Yay! 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com, and we'll fix your blown gears on your openers, repair them, save you some money. 630-271-9343. www.innovativegaragedoor.com. 650 Ogden in Downers Grove. Thanks for watching our Sears Craftsman repair video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.